And it's pretty gross in there into the garbage disposal. It smells good with the citrus scent. Wow, look at that, nice and clean. Today I'm gonna share with you how to clean your garbage disposal system. If you've never cleaned it before, this is probably your call to action to actually do that. I'm using this Active brand citrus scent garbage disposal cleaner. Thank you so much to Active for sponsoring this product video because I use this all the time to clean my garbage disposal. It's really, really easy. This one pack here actually gives you a 1-year supply like that. This is a small family-run business, so I love supporting them. They come in these little pouches like this, and then when you open it up, this is what the tab looks like. These are all natural. There's no chemicals that are used, and so I can be feeling good about not bringing chemicals into my kitchen when I'm cleaning my kitchen. And here's what the directions say. It says, first, ensure that the disposal is empty. So I'm gonna run a full stream of hot water for 1 minute with the disposal going so that I can clear out the disposal with any food. And then we're going to run it at a slow trickle, which is less than a width of a pencil. I'll show you what that looks like. So we're gonna run water in the non-disposal drain to help contain the foam because it's gonna come out in that second drain right there. Then we have our package wrapped already, and then we're gonna place the tablet fully inside the garbage disposal. And I did this before in the past where I used 2 tablets and that was really helpful, but I don't think I need 2 today, so we're just gonna start with 1. And then if the foam rises into the sink, continue running the disposal and water until the foam drains. And then you just rinse any remaining foam and turn the disposal off, and that's it. They recommend twice monthly treatments, so there's 24 packets in this one container. Okay, so I do have food in there, so let's go ahead and just run this for 1 minute to clear that out. And it's pretty gross in there, so I'm gonna actually clear some of that food out as well. Ew, gross. Look how much stuff I actually pulled out of there even after I ran it for a minute. So if you haven't cleaned out your garbage disposal, clearly I haven't done this in a little while, definitely take everything out as well after you've turned off the garbage disposal. All right, let's go ahead, and it says to turn down the water to the width of a pencil. So maybe about there. And then I'm gonna move this to the other sink. And then let's go ahead and put our tablet into the garbage disposal. And then we'll turn it on. Great. And then we're gonna let it run for 1 minute. And it kind of like turns into like a paste. It smells good with the citrus scent. All right, and it's been a minute. We don't have any foam, and that's okay. It says that's not a problem. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some water in there and then rinse it out. And there we go. Nice and clean. It's so nice to have a little tablet that I can just put in there that'll handle all that for me. Thank you so much to Active for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to partner with this brand. I really love what they're offering. I'm going to share with you some other products of theirs coming up soon in other videos, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel on YouTube as well as my Amazon storefront, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Wow, look at that, nice and clean on the inside. There's still just a little bit of food, but see how nice and shiny it is in there? Oh my gosh, it's so relieving.